Akshit on the telecast with me. Akshit, how is the mandate right now as people come out and vote? Are there more and more people right now? It's early during the day up until now. It may become scorching as the hours pass by. But what's the pulse on the ground? Do you see a lot of people coming out and voting? And what are their big issues?
Well, yes, Megha, you know, Faizabad constituency has been at the focal point of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Of course, you know, Ayodhya being placed strategically at an intersection between the religion and politics. Well, of course, you know, people are, you can see, queuing up in numbers to cast their ballot since 7 a.m. in the morning. And now, you know, as the day passes by, it's getting hot also. But still, we'll try to gain in the pulse as to what people think when they will go to cast their ballot. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
इसरार अहमद।
क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं जो दिमाग में रखकर वोट डालेंगे?
अब जो है वही
आप बताइए।
Sir, I am Surya Pratap Singh and my issue will be the development of Ayodhya. So, keeping it in center, I'll just try to vote because of the development of this city and education, development, health, and so all.
City witnessed a transformation.
Definitely, sir. Yes, for sure. I mean, the kind of development has been, happened over this last 2-3 years. We haven't seen throughout the, over the decades. So I would like to say that the government is, doing amazing for this city. So obviously, my vote will go for development.
So of course, there you heard the vote will go for development. We'll try to talk to more people out here. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
मोहम्मद सिराज खान।
क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं जो दिमाग में रखकर वोट डालेंगे?
भैया और देखते हैं, जिसको डालना उसको डाल देंगे। क्या मुद्दा है?
अयोध्या के विकास को किस तरह देखते हैं?
अयोध्या का विकास अच्छा हो रहा है।
अच्छा हो रहा है जी। यहाँ से सांसद 2 बार लल्लू सिंह रह चुके हैं, तो कैसा है उनका काम?
सर अच्छा है, अच्छा काम
जी। तो क्या मुद्दों को दिमाग में रख के वोट डालेंगे?
सर विकास के लिए।
विकास के लिए जी। आप बताइए, आप युवा हैं, क्या कुछ सरकार से उम्मीदें हैं कि आने वाले टाइम में सरकार करे?
सरकार से हमारी यही उम्मीद है, जो भी करे वो सब सही करे। बस हम आज पहली बार जा रहे हैं डालने वोट।
पहली बार वोट डालने जा रहे हैं। As of course, you know, there, Megha, you heard out the one point which remains at the helm is the development of Ayodhya city, and of course, the people believe that they have seen an exponential transformation when it comes to Ayodhya, and you know, especially after the Ram Temple inauguration. Of course, we saw how the religious fervor was in the air, and still it's there in the minds of people when they're going.
One of these individuals in a youth said that, you know, the development that the people have seen, the residents of Faizabad, Ayodhya city in the last 2-3 years has been exponential. Not seen this in the last few decades.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.